Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you will need to swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called display, and once you find it, select it of course. And here, scroll down and look for the option called a screen timeout, and once you find it, of course, tap on it. And here we have the list of durations. We have 15 seconds, 30 seconds and 1 minute. Select the one you like by tapping on it. Maybe 30 seconds is a bit too much, so I'm gonna select 15 seconds. And then once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, but you need to press it a couple of times. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.